two sides of an equal sign, and I think you're right. When I subtract it here from the left, it goes away. That's my goal. I get 6K equals 96.
Sorry, I was slapping my face.
And then I'm exactly where I was yesterday when we were doing one-step equations. I have to figure out what I'm going to multiply by 6 to get 96. So to undo that, I'll divide. Remember, you are not weak if you use a calculator. It doesn't make you a bad person, okay? It's there for you. I have one if you need one. Get in the habit of using it, right? So what is 96 divided by 6? 16? Great. And we are done with that problem. Again, undo what was done. So when I look at problem number 2, I'm going to look for any addition or subtraction first. So look for any addition or subtraction first. Opposite of subtract is add. What is negative 3 plus 10?
7.
Great, 7. Perfect. And then I will undo the division. What's the opposite of division? Multiplication. Go ahead and multiply. What do we end up with? Beautiful. A equals 14. Now, it doesn't matter if the addition or subtraction. In these first two, these were like the standard. This is the way we like to see them. But sometimes they're going to mix the number and the letter part around. If the freestanding number comes first, look in front of it to decide the sign. This is a positive 10. Even though it doesn't have a mark there, it's a positive 10. And so to get rid of that positive 10, I have to minus 10. Go on the other side of the equal sign and minus 10. So the only real math I have to do is I have to figure out what 9 minus 10 is. What is it? Negative 1. So this is x over 14 equals negative 1. Now what? Times by 14. You get negative 14. Perfect. When you look at 4, the freestanding number, the number without a variable, is in front there, but this time it's negative. It doesn't matter that what came after the negative 8 is plus, because I'm only looking at the negative 8. How do I get rid of a negative 8? Wahawa. I do a positive 8, exactly. Yep. So 8n equals, then I have to do this math. Negative 160. Okay. What's wrong? Hot. Are you warm? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. How do I get rid of the 8? It's being multiplied. Divide. Yep. Oh, okay. So n equals negative 20. Watch out for your signs. Okay, now the last 4 are a little bit different because I've been telling you up to this point, get rid of the addition and subtraction. Unless it's blocked by multiplication or division. This addition is blocked by this bar for division. So you have to do the multiplication first. Those are the weird ones that you're going to multiply that out first to free up the x plus 3. You got it. Yep. And then I'll finish off by minusing 3. Negative 9. Perfect. Yep, you got it. You got it. Likewise, in number 6, that addition of negative 2 and k is blocked by the 8. I have 2 ways of handling this. One way would be to distribute. We've talked about the distributed property, and a lot of us kind of naturally go to that.
Second way, we did divide,
The other way would be just divide the 8 out.
so which way we want?
It doesn't matter. It's personal preference.
Yep.
The thing is, dividing the 8 out only works if there's nothing else really going on. If you just have that one parenthesis and an answer. There are going to be times where we have to distribute, okay? So if you'd prefer to distribute just to keep that habit going, that's fine. But right now, I'll divide that 8 out. That leaves me with the -2 plus k equals, what's negative 120 divided by 8?
A number?
It is. Negative 15, thanks.
I knew that.
Okay. And then what?
Black.
Add the 2. Perfect. Okay. So for number 7, do you want me to divide the -5 out, or should we do this one with the distributed property? Distribute, okay. Because it's an option. Remember, you could do it either way on that one. And not one way is better than the other way, honestly. It's all personal. So in this one, we'll distribute. So we distribute that -5 through. -5v minus 30 equals -105. And then I can solve. Some people don't like to do the distributing first just because it's an extra step. So I had to multiply through and then I solved 2 steps. But some people prefer it because then you can be consistent all the time, and it's totally personal. Now, how do I solve this?
Negative 30.
Plus 30. Yep, plus 30 plus 30. So -5v is left on the left. Ooh, -75 on the right. Great. And then finish it off by, yep, divide by your -5. What'd you get? 15? Nope, you were right in the first place, positive 15. Okay, so let's jump back to this other one. On this one, I don't really have another option. The only way that or the easiest way that I want to work with this without having fractions involved is to just do what first? Yep, multiply. Undo the division by multiplying. Multiply both sides by 4. R minus 1 equals -4. Finish this one off strong. What do I do?
Subtract the 1. Add the 1.
Yep, opposite, add the 1. Okay, so R is -3. All right. Any questions on solving review?
Hold on, Paul.
Okay.
Don't end the live stream yet. Hold on.
Don't end it yet.
Hey, smile for the camera, idiots. Smile
Hey,
for
hey,
Mr.
don't
Jones.
phone.
There we go.
There we
Yeah, smile.
Camera there.
Smile,
There we
yeah,
go.
smile for Mr.
Okay.
Jones, idiots.
Wave to Christian, because this video is for Christian right now. Is Christian the only one absent?
And it's for Mr. Jones.
I think so.
That's for Mr. Jones. Look at He's flipping the camera off.
All
He wants
right,
to be
here we
previewed by
go.
Mr.
Did you
Jones,
really?
right?
It
has-
Mr. Jones.
Oh, I mean, look
I
at it.
couldn't make it stop now.
It's not for Mr. Jones.
It